guys, welcome back to another video from LA Builds. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button, show your support. Other than that, let's get on with the video. Okay, so basically in my last video I took everything apart and I said I was gonna order some parts. So I already got some parts for the suspension. So I got this piece right here, got this one right here, and I'm waiting on the lower control arm, and I'll be getting that one in next week. So expect a video on that next week. But for today's video, we're gonna try to find out where it's leaking coolant from and fix that oil pan gasket. So let's get to it. All right guys, so let's go ahead and go get that oil pan gasket. Okay guys, so I just got the oil pan gasket. Now let's go to Walmart and get some oil. Got the oil, but unfortunately Walmart doesn't have the oil filter. But for now, let's get home and get to work, and I'll buy another one later. Okay, so I had to move the car out the grass because I couldn't lift it up from the back, so I can put the jack stand right here. So now it's out, so let's get back to work. Okay, so now I just lifted up this side, so now let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so I ran into a bit of a situation. So right here, I'm supposed to insert a hook to attach to this so it can hold the engine. But I thought it was the same hook you use here, but it turns out it's not the right one. So now I need to go buy a hook, but I called everywhere and nobody has one. So I'm gonna have to make my own. So I have this right here, and I'm gonna go try find something like it, but with the same thread as the one in there. So probably go to Home Depot, try find something, and we'll get back to work. Okay guys, so today is the next day here, and I was finally able to find the hook I need. So yesterday I went to Home Depot, couldn't find anything. Went to another hardware store, couldn't find anything. I found a couple of hooks, but they were all in inches, and what I needed it metric. And I found something that was metric, but it wasn't the same thread, it wouldn't screw in. So I didn't really want to mess up anything. So today I went to a pick and pull, and I was able to find the hook I need right here. So this one came out of a E39 BMW 5 Series, and I screwed it on and it works. So now we could get to work. Okay guys, so just to give you guys a comparison, this is the one that came in with the car, and this is the one I got of the E39, and it's going to be going right here attached to this. This holds the engine so it doesn't fall while I drop the subframe to get the oil pan out. The engine is all good and secure now, so now I can get under the car, drop the oil, and get to dropping the subframe. So finally, I got the subframe out. So now we can get to the oil pan. Okay guys, we finally got the oil pan out. Now let's clean it up and put a new gasket on. Okay, so the oil pan is all cleaned up right now from the inside and outside. So now let's put the new oil pan gasket on. Okay guys, so I put the oil pan back on with the new gasket, tightened up all the bolts, but unfortunately it's getting late on me right now, so I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow to finish up the rest of it. Okay guys, so it is the next day here. I just got back from work and I'm gonna try to put the subframe back on, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm under the car right now. As you can see, this is the oil pan is back on and everything, and look right here. The previous owner left us a VRSF charge pipe. The last video, I was really tired when I got back from work and I couldn't really finish up putting the subframe back on. I barely got it attached, so today we're gonna get that done. So I just got this side of the suspension all put together. So now let's go ahead and get the other side all done, put the new parts on, and get it all over with. I ran into a bit of a situation here. So this sway bar that I ordered, I guess I ordered the wrong one, because this one, as I put it on right now and I try to turn the wheel, you see how it gets stuck right here, and it's supposed to be straight. So I'm gonna place another order for a brand new one, but as of right now I have the rest of this stuff, so I'm gonna assemble them and put this on, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so as of right now, everything is assembled. The subframe is back on, both sides suspensions, everything is on except this side right here where I'm missing the sway bar, and I'll go ahead and order a brand new one tonight and see when it will get here. But as of right now, I'm gonna clean up and call it a night, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yo, what's up guys? So it is the next day here, and what I'm gonna do right now is I am going to take this off, go under the car, inspect everything, see if I didn't miss anything, and put the wheels back on and take it off the jack stands. So let's do it. So I just dropped the car back down. Whenever I was under there, everything looked pretty good. So now I can show y'all I got some parts for the car. So I bought this M Sport bumper, and I got the headlight and the fender from a local guy for a pretty good deal. He gave me the fender for pretty cheap because it is a little bit damaged. So right here there is a little dent, if you can see, but I think I could fix it. I just bent it, and with some filler should be good. And it is a little scratched up, but it's not gonna hurt. That's the only thing wrong with the fender. The headlight is pretty good, nothing wrong with it. I turned it on, works perfectly fine. And for the hood, I got it from another local guy, and he just bought an aftermarket one, and he doesn't want his old one, so I just went ahead and bought this one off of him. Got it for pretty cheap. Okay guys, this is gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one, because I'm gonna find out where it's leaking coolant from, fix it, put on all the new parts, and hopefully drive it. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.